Imagine waking up one morning to find photos you thought were long gone resurfacing on your iPhone. That's the unsettling reality many users faced after updating to iOS 17.5. But that's not the only surprising story in tech this week.
I just want to see Apple starting to become a major player in the AI race that they're kind of viewing it as losing so far.
From Apple's ambitious plans for AI-powered data centers, staggering CEO pay packages making headlines.
Paid compensation for chief executives of several Fortune 500 companies has risen dramatically.
Join me as I explore the latest news that's shaping the industry we love. Before we unpack the latest tech news, let's explore some bite-sized buys for winter warriors. Brave the cold with these anti-slip thermal gloves, perfect for running, cycling, or any outdoor adventure. And stay warm and stylish with this full zip brushed tech jacket that's both cozy and trendy. 3 more winter essentials are coming up, so don't miss them. Links are in the description. Alright, let's dive into our first story. Imagine cleaning out your photo albums, tossing away all those embarrassing, outdated photos, only to find them back in your album the next day. That's what happened to many iPhone users after updating to iOS 17.5. Deleted photos from years ago started popping back up, causing quite the stir. This isn't the first time Apple has faced bugs after an update, but this one hit close to home for many users. The issue, linked to a database corruption, brought back old photos which were supposed to be permanently deleted. Well, Apple quietly released iOS 17.5.1 to fix this, but not before privacy concerns were raised. This incident highlights the need for robust data management and deletion protocols. As users, we rely on these processes to protect our privacy. It also pushes companies like Apple to improve their quality assurance processes before releasing updates. Tech experts speculate the bug might be due to a syncing error or an indexing glitch in the Photos app. The issue underscores the complexity of managing vast amounts of user data securely and reliably. What do you think about this iOS glitch? Should Apple be more transparent about their photo deletion process? Leave a comment below and let's discuss. For our second story, Apple is building a super brain for its data centers to handle all the AI magic behind services like Siri and iCloud. Well, this new chip, nicknamed Project AC/DC, is all about making Apple's data centers smarter and faster.
When you look at artificial intelligence, it's going to be incredibly expensive from an investment standpoint and then from an operating expense standpoint. So you're seeing companies across the board, Amazon and now Apple, that are trying to address those costs.
Apple has always been at the forefront of chip design. If you can remember the A series chips in the iPhones to the M series and the Macs. Now they're leveraging this expertise to enhance their server infrastructure, focusing on AI tasks that are becoming increasingly crucial. This move could revolutionize how Apple handles AI, leading to smarter services and applications. It could also give Apple a significant edge over competitors in the AI space. Analysts believe this chip could significantly boost Apple's capabilities in AI, positioning them strongly against rivals like Google and Amazon, who also have custom chips for their data centers. If you're feeling tech savvy, become part of our community, subscribe for more bite-sized videos like this one, leave a comment below to share your thoughts, and sign up for our newsletter for exclusive tech insights. Imagine getting paid millions of dollars just for showing up to work every day. That's the reality for many top CEOs. The highest paid CEO, Hock Tan of Broadcom, made a whopping $162 million last year. CEO pay has been climbing steadily, but the past 5 years have seen record highs. Companies argue this pay is tied to performance, but it often sparks debates about fairness and corporate governance. With such high compensation, there's increasing scrutiny on how these pay packages are structured and whether they truly reflect a CEO's contribution to the company's success. Economists and analysts debate whether such high pay is justified. with some arguing it incentivizes performance, while others see it as a sign of growing inequality within corporate structures.
Devices. These are the company's first Copilot Plus PCs, which means these devices can do some pretty incredible AI things.
For our fourth story, Microsoft just gave its Surface Pro a major upgrade, adding a super sharp OLED display and powerful new processors to make it faster and smarter than ever. The Surface Pro has been a popular 2-in-1 device, but this latest version takes things to a new level with AI capabilities that can handle complex tasks much more efficiently. This could change how we use our devices, making them more intuitive and responsive. The AI power in these new Surface Pros could lead to smarter applications and better user experiences. Tech experts are impressed with the new AI capabilities, noting that it positions Microsoft well in the growing market for AI-enhanced devices. The combination of powerful hardware and intelligent software is a big win.
Things. Microsoft has highlighted a whole bunch of AI stuff here today, but I want to quickly highlight AI Recall, as I think that's the sort of star of the show here. AI Recall is essentially a Windows app that watches everything you do, which sounds creepy, but it's all on device. It's handled by the NPU in the Snapdragon X, which is able to output 45 TOPS of power. It's an incredibly powerful NPU.
How do you feel about the new Surface Pro's AI features? Game changer? Or just another upgrade? Share your thoughts in the comments. TSMC, the world's biggest chip maker, has added a remote kill switch to its most important machines.
Bloomberg has learned that ASML and TSMC have ways to disable the world's most sophisticated chip-making machines should China invade Taiwan.
If China ever tried to take over, they could disable the machines remotely to protect their technology. Tensions between Taiwan and China have been escalating, and this move is a precaution to safeguard critical technology. It's a modern twist on the idea of a self-destruct button to prevent valuable assets from falling into the wrong hands.
The remote kill switch applies to ASML's extreme ultraviolet machines known as the EUVs.
This highlights the geopolitical risks in the tech industry and the lengths companies will go to protect their intellectual property. It also shows the importance of TSMC's chips to global tech and security. Security analysts see this as a necessary step given the geopolitical climate.
I mean, I guess that sort of brings up, the political backdrop to this and the fact that there are so many tensions between the US and China. It looks like they're seeking technological solutions in case things really flare up in the future.
Security analysts see this as a necessary step given the geopolitical climate, while some worry about the implications of such measures on global tech supply chains. It's like having a secret switch to blow up your secret layer if the bad guys ever get too close. Drastic, but sometimes necessary. Is this TSMC's remote kill switch a smart move? What does this say about the current state of global tech security? Comment below and join the discussion. As we come to the end of our exploration, several intriguing questions arise from the latest developments in technology and business. How did Apple's photo deletion process fail so dramatically with iOS 17.5? And what are the broader implications for user privacy and data security? As Apple dives into creating its own AI-focused data center chip, how will this reshape the competitive landscape and the future of AI applications? With CEO compensation soaring to record highs, what does this mean for corporate governance and shareholder satisfaction? Microsoft's new ARM-powered Surface Pro with advanced AI capabilities begs the question, how will these innovations enhance productivity and data security? Finally, TSMC's implementation of remote kill switches in their EUV machines raises critical concerns about the geopolitical stability of global tech supply chains and the role of government intervention. These are just some of the questions begging to be answered. If you're curious to find out more, visit our website through the links in the description for quick, insightful articles that dive deeper into these topics. Our concise summaries will satisfy your curiosity in just 2 to 3 minutes. Thanks for watching. See you on the next episode.